So today we are going to learn chapter 2 large numbers. Okay. In this chapter we have to learn the digit till 9. It means we are learning the 9-digit number in this chapter. Rather than this 9-digit number, we have to learn the place value and expanded form, comparing and ordering numbers, international system of writing numbers. International system of writing numbers is also called the international place value chart. Before going to the smallest or the largest 6-digit or 7-digit number, you have to see taking one example. The number starts from 1, you know that. Okay, so 1 is a single digit number since it has only 1 as a single digit, and when we are counting and when we will end the number till 9, the next number will be 10. So you see 10 is having 2 digits, 0 and 1. So we can say that 9 is a single digit number or last single digit number. Okay, 1 is the first single digit number. So 1 is the smallest 1-digit number, and 9 is the smallest largest 1-digit number. Since the 2-digit number start from 10, so we can say that the 10 is the smallest 2-digit number, and 99 is the largest 2-digit number. Like that, when we will add 100 after 99, you know that the 100 will come. So 100 is having 3 digits. See, 1, 2, 3. So the number 3-digit number start from this 100. So smallest 3-digit number is 100, and the largest 3-number digit is 999. Since when we are adding this, adding 1 to it, it will become 4-digit number. Okay, so you came to know when the numbers start, it will be the smallest. When it ends at 9, so it will be the largest number. See, in this chapter, come to the chapter. Here one number is written. Let me count the number. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So it has 6 digits. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 lakh is the 6-digit number, or we can say the smallest 6-digit number. I have given the example previously, no? By this I am telling you. Okay. What about the largest 6-digit number? See the largest 6-digit number: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and lakh. 9,99,999. When we will add 1 to this largest 6-digit number, it converts into the smallest 7-digit number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, shall we read this? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So, 10 lakhs. So, 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number. And 99,99,999 is the largest 7-digit number. Okay, when we will add again 1, it will convert into 8-digit number, or we can say the smallest 8-digit number. See, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it is 1 crore. 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. Okay, and what will be the greatest 8-digit number? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999 is the greatest or largest 8-digit number. Okay, when we will add 1 to it, it will convert into 9-digit number. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 10 crore is the smallest 9-digit number. I hope you will understand this. And now we are studying about the place value chart. This is the Indian place value chart. See here, it is written Indian system of numeration, or we can say this place value chart according to Indian system. See, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Okay, and once the first column is ones, and ones column is further divided into the 3 columns: ones, tens and hundred. And the next column is thousands column, which is again further divided into two columns, 1000 and 10,000. Next is lakhs column, which is divided again into two columns, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And last is crores, and it is divided into again two columns, crores and 10 crores. So in this chapter we are studying about the 9-digit number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9-digit number. Okay. I hope you will understand. According to the Indian system of numeration, the place value chart is divided. First column is called ones. In ones is divided into three parts, and rest of the part is divided further into two parts. Okay. So come to the chapter, exercise self practice 2A. In this we have to write numeral of given number name. Okay. So I am explaining through the solution which I have done for you. So we will start our exercise with this. Okay. See, chapter 2, large number 2A, write the numeral for each of the following numbers. See, 62 lakh 7,009. So here in place of 62 means 2 digits should be in place of lakh. So 62 I have written, 7,000. 7 will come in place of 1,000. In 10,000 there is no no numbers, so that I have written 0. And the last number is 9. So in place of ones should be 9. But in place of tens and hundreds should be zeros. Okay. Then only we can able to read the 62 in lakhs place. If we are not putting this zero, number will be wrong. See the next one. 3 crore 1,75,020. So 3 should be in place of crore. You know that in first column ones, tens, hundred, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh in crores. So 3 will be in place of crores. Then question is asking 1 lakh. So lakh will be in place of in place of lakh, and in place of 10 lakh we should have to put the 0. Then 75,000. So we have both the number in place of 1,000 as well as in 10,000. So 75 is written. Then 20. So 20 will come in place of tens, and 0 will come in place of ones. And in place of 100 you should have to put 0. Otherwise we are not able to read 3 as a crores. Okay. C and D is as well, I have explained you A and B, like that C and D also did for you. See the next question. Write the following number in word form. Now the numbers are given and you have to write number name. So let me count the number. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 5 crores, 57 lakhs, 20,318. So here it is written 5 crores, 57 lakh, 20,318. Okay. See the B1. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 6 lakh, 6 crore, 5 lakh, 16. 6 crore, 5 lakh, 16. See here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 lakh, 10 crore, 58 crores, 26,007. Okay, D is also done as we did 3. Question 3, do by yourself. I am going to read the question number 5. Arun Startup Company is doing well, and in the first year itself it has made a turnover worth rupees 8 crores 32 lakh 6,000. So 8 crore 32 will be in place of lakh, 6 will be in place of 1,000. So we have to put 10 before it, and in place of 100, tens and 1 should be 0. Then only it will come in place of crores. Okay. Question number 5 is write the period and the place value of colored digit in each of the following numbers. Okay. So I already written this 9 with the color. See the question. This is ones, tens. So 9 is in place of tens. So the place value of 9 is tens, or we can write is at 90. Okay. See the B1. 5 is written with a color and I have made the circle on it. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 5 is in place of 10. crore, or we can say 50 crores. Okay, so here the place we have to write the place value of 7. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. The place value of 7 is crores, or we can say 7 crores. So like this I have done D also. Okay, I hope you have understand till question number